Today I am going to show you a working Jasmin SMS Gateway software into my subdomain. As you can see, this is the login page. If you need any kind of Jasmin SMS Gateway support, hire me. So let's get started. This is the Jasmin SMS Gateway dashboard. From SMPP, we can integrate SMPP. From HTTP, we can integrate HTTP APIs. This is the user, and from this user, you can check the balance and SMS count. This is the groups for each user, and this is the filters. This is the empty routes, and this is the ammo routes. And from here, you can submit any logs. If you need any kind of Jasmin SMS Gateway support, hire me. Thank you.